you seeking an expansive and versatile ranch with open valleys, rolling hills, and oak-studded terrain? Look no further. Picturesquely nestled on approximately 1,455 acres near California Highway 152, this stunning property offers an abundance of possibilities for those who covet a rustic outdoor lifestyle. Ideally suited for hunting, recreation, and grazing, the vast expanse boasts year-round springs, a reliable well, and a variety of wildlife such as deer, pigs, quail, and turkey. Providing to the universal appeal of this rarely available property, the small irrigated fruit orchard provides a delicious addition to your purchase. Navigating the idyllic land is easy with roads built all over the property. The property also includes 2 large metal shop buildings, offering superb convenience. One building includes a 2-bedroom, 1-bath living area with a comfortable living room and a fully equipped kitchen. Get all the advantages and start living the dream today.